Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find out if a channel has a monetized videos or if a channel is monetized on the YouTube platform. It's very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the YouTube app and find a channel or a video that we wanna look for. Let's go for this channel over here. You wanna click on the three dots in the upper right and then you wanna essentially click share and then click copy link. Now we have the link copied on our clipboard and we have to go on Google Chrome and we have to look for this website over here. It's called isthischannelmonetized.com. You want to click on this website and you want to scroll down and you want to paste the link over here of the channel. Then you have to click check monetization. And usually it processes the channel very fast. Let's see how long would it take right now. Okay, it's ready. Okay, so this channel is probably monetized. The reason for, according to them, is that the channel has at least 3 monetized regular videos. As of 28th January, the channel has gathered 1.5 billion views and 1.6 million subs. Okay. They also going to give you an approximate estimate how much money they made based on different RPMs. You can look by categories. So in best case scenario, this channel has made $30 million. Crazy, I know. And on the low end, the channel made, this is impossible, 0.5 cents. I would say the least the channel made, I would say 3.8 million or like 5.3 looks like, because $2.50 $3.50, it's very low RPM. So I think the channel is doing very well guys, but this is how you can find out for free if a channel is actually monetized. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.